Hi children, today we are going to discuss about azeotropic mixture. So azeotropic mixture is related to what we have seen in the last class, non-ideal solutions. The solutions of completely miscible liquids which boil at constant temperature and distill without change in their composition like a pure liquid. So which means, suppose you take water and ethanol. Water's boiling point is 100. Ethanol's boiling point is 78.5. So when it boils, at what temperature it boils. So together it gives you a different boiling point. So that's what they've given here. The solutions of completely miscible liquid which boils at constant temperature and you can distill it without change in their composition. So that by fractional distillation, you can distill as a solution, as a ethanol solution, you can distill it, right? So that's what azeotropic mixtures. So even azeotropic mixtures are of two types: minimum boiling azeotropic mixtures and maximum boiling azeotropic mixtures. What is minimum boiling azeotropic mixtures? Actually, which shows positive deviation. Which shows positive deviations, intermolecular forces, like suppose if I say ethanol and water again, if the intermolecular force between the ethanol and water molecule is lower than between ethanol molecules or between water molecules, right? So over there, temperature boiling point will be lesser, but the pressure will be more, right? So over here, the same example they've given water and ethanol. If you see water's boiling point 100 degrees Celsius, we all know, right? Ethanol's boiling point 78.5 degrees Celsius. But together, at what temperature it boils as the ethanol solution? 78 degrees Celsius, which means which is lower than the pure ethanol's boiling point and lower than the pure water's boiling point, right? So this is what boiling point decreases, pressure increases. So that's why we say positive deviation from Raoult's law. Next, maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Maximum boiling azeotropic mixture. Now over here, boiling point increases than the mixture, right? So the previous one, boiling point decreases than the mixture. Over here, increases than the mixture. So which gives this actually negative deviations. The mixture with the solution which shows negative deviations. Which shows negative deviations? By mixing those two, like if you mix, for example, HCl and water. So HCl plus water. HCl's boiling point, if you see over here, 188 Kelvin, and water's boiling point 373 Kelvin, which is 100 degrees Celsius, right? So by mixing these two, what happens when you say negative deviation? The pressure actually decreases, boiling point increases. So since pressure decreases, we say negative deviation. That means intermolecular forces will be very high than within HCl or within between water molecules, right? So over here, what is it? HCl's boiling point 188 Kelvin and water's boiling point 373 Kelvin. But if you mix these two, what is the boiling point? The maximum boiling temperature is 381.6. That's what we call it as maximum boiling azeotropic mixtures. Okay. Come again. What is azeotropic mixture actually? The solutions of completely miscible liquid which boils at constant temperature and distill without change in their composition like a pure liquid is called azeotropic mixture. Hope you understood. Bye.